So why does every new skill terrify me? My daughter started crawling this week, and I think as a new dad, you get excited with new milestones. The first smile, the first crawl, the first rollover. But a part of you as a new dad is also in fear, right? Of the new dangers now, right? And it's kind of a balance, right? Like you are excited about all the new milestones, but on the contrary, you worry about all the ways that they can put themselves in danger now, right? And yeah, you can sometimes go a little crazy, right? Trying to baby proof the house and make sure everything's in order, right? So that the baby doesn't hurt his or herself. And this morning I got a bit of a stark reminder. I was making breakfast and my baby crawled towards the kitchen island and started grabbing some of the wires that were plugged into the island, right? Like we had a rice cooker plugged into that island, toaster, some laptops, and yeah, my wife saw that and she said, "Hey, Brian, you have to watch after Ellie. She can crawl now and she can actually grab at wires and pull things down." And that prompted me to go around the whole house and wire protect the baby, I guess, right? I don't even know if that's a term, but plug all the outlets with those pluggers and just hide some wires that she could get a hold of. And I mean, it just happened so fast, right? Like one day you can just put them down and maybe do something on the side so that you can get yourself a bit of a breather and not worry about the baby going anywhere, right? And then in a matter of moments, or what seems like a small moment or a short moment, they're out of your control, right? They're moving fast, and you got to make sure every baby gate is closed now, and nothing's in way of danger, right? And it can cause you to go crazy as a new dad. That it can cause you to worry, right? Worry to the point where you stop enjoying the life of the baby, right? The moments with the baby. It can make you start to, yeah, not enjoy the milestones, right? Look at the milestones as danger as opposed to beauty, right? Because there is a beauty in just every day, right? Every day the baby changes. Every day the baby does something new, and as dads, we just have to be ready for it, right? It's just you can't baby proof the whole house, right? But you can make sure the gate's closed, upstairs and downstairs. You can make sure all the outlets are plugged, and you can make sure there's no loose wires hanging, right? Like I think you just try to keep the baby alive, right? And knowing what could cause like really critical harm to the baby is important, right? And I completely missed the mark. I thought I had a moment where I could just put the baby on the floor, and lo and behold, the baby started grabbing the wires, and it could have had a rice cooker drop on her head, right? And yeah, and that just caused me to spiral and evaluate the whole house. And yeah, I just didn't really enjoy the moment of my daughter crawling, right? I don't know, man. It's just a balance, right? Like you want to enjoy the happy moments and the monumental milestone moments, but then you also worry about how your child can hurt itself, right? And and as my daughter grows up, I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to stop worrying about her safety, right? And yeah, when she's older, I'm not sure I can sleep well at night, right? Knowing that she's out on her own, right? But I think that makes it more beautiful, right? We can do our best, right, to prevent the danger in our babies' lives, and still enjoy it at the same time. I think having a little worry is okay, but don't go too crazy, right? Trying to prevent all the dangers in your baby's life. There's gonna be things that happen that maybe happen for a reason, and that they learn from, right? So sometimes a bit of pain, a bit of discomfort helps them understand what to avoid, and the key is to limit the stuff that can really hurt them, right? Obviously, and I don't know, man. I don't have it all figured out. All I know is that it's a balance, trying to enjoy your child as well as try to protect your child. And some days are good, some days are bad, but I guess that's just fatherhood, right? You just got to find a healthy balance to keep going, right? And yeah, baby proof the house, but don't go too crazy. Try to look at the immediate dangers, and yeah, just realize that you're not going to be able to get them all, right? You're not going to be able to prevent all the danger. Just go as you see it, right? I don't even know if that's good advice, but I don't have it all figured out, but I'm glad. And if you don't have it all figured out, I'm glad you're here with me, because we're doing this together, right? So good luck out there, new dad.